Hi everybody, this is Brad. I have a 1999 GL1500 Goldwing. It's lacking just a couple odds and ends here. One of them is, I don't know how well you can see this, that is just a little handlebar plate that goes over there that covers up those screws. Here is one that is complete. This piece right here, I am going to print one of those on a 3D printer and see how well it fits. I found exactly what I'm looking for on Thingiverse. I'm going to show you this page so he can take credit for it. I did not create this. I'm not going to recreate the wheel. So I am going to set this up for you on a tripod and show you how I slice it and put it on my 3D printer. Now that I have it saved to an SD card, I insert my SD card right here. Again, come over to my graph here. I can swing it over to print, click on print, scroll down. Again, it looks awful blurry. It is right there. That's the cap, clutch, brake, master cylinder cover. I click this button and it will take off printing. And I will speed that up once it gets going so you don't have to sit through the entire thing. But what it does is that, again, it relevels itself in the center before it starts. And then it will put a line over here to make sure the nozzle's clear. It'll put a circle around where it's going to start creating it, and it will start creating it. Now that it's completed and the extruder has gone down to its resting place, we're going to break this off. Okay, once cutting what's holding it, the plastic that's holding it together, it will actually come right off. And that's what it looks like. So let's go over to the bike and see that it fits. Hard to do this with one hand, but there it is, perfect fit. A little tight so it won't come off. And that's how it looks. Let me turn a light on for you. That's how it looks when it's all finished. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, by all means, shoot them down below and I'll try to answer them for you.